We learn about what is partnership firm, their characteristics, and what is partnership deed. In 11th standard, we learn about what is sole proprietorship firm. In sole proprietorship firm, we find out net profit, but in a partnership firm, we have to share the profit between the partners. For this, we have to prepare one account called profit and loss appropriation account. In profit and loss appropriation account, we share profit between the partners. Now we start exercise number 3, sum number 1. A partner withdraw identical amount at the end of each month from the firm. The total drawing is 12,000. So the monthly drawing is 12,000 divided by 12. So the monthly drawing is 1,000. 12% per annum interest is chargeable on drawing. Determine the amount of drawing of the year. For this, we have one formula. I is equal to PRN upon 100. Interest is equal to principal amount into rate of interest into number of years divided by 100. So the interest is equal to 1000 into 12 divided by 100 into 66 by 12. So the interest amount is 660. And we get 66 by 12. For this we have to understand the calculation that is given in page number 14. If a partner withdraw identical amount at the beginning of every month, like in January, 1st January, they have to pay the interest of whole year. If the partner withdraw amount in second month, they have to pay the interest of 11 months. So the total of this is 78. And second, if partner withdraw amount at the end of every month, in January, end of January, they have to pay the interest of 11 months. They don't have to pay the interest of January. So the total of this is 66 by 12. So if they said in the question that partner withdraw identical amount at the beginning of every month, we take 78 by 12, or else partner withdraw identical amount at the end of every month, we took 66 by 12. Here in the question they said that partner withdraw identical amount at the end of every month, so that we took 66 by 12. So the answer is 660. Amruta and Divya are partners of the firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit after deduction of such commission. What amount will be received by Amruta if profit of the year is 96,876? Here we have the two formula. If commission is to be paid on net profit before deduction of such commission, so the formula is net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. And second, a commission is to be paid on net profit after deduction of such commission. So the formula is net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. Here in the question they said that commission is to be paid on net profit after deduction of such commission. So the formula is net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. So the commission amount is 7,176. Here the total profit of this firm is 96,876 minus commission amount. So we can get profit after commission, that is 89,700. We share this profit into the partners in Amruta and Divya, so that they can get profit amount in equal proportion. Here we took equal proportion because they don't have given what is profit and loss sharing ratio, so that we share profit in equally. So the share of Amruta is 89,700 divided by 2, that is 44,850. Here the total amount received by Amruta is commission amount plus profit amounts, that is 44,850 plus 7176, that is 52,026. Vismay, Abhijit and Kunal are partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2:4. Manager is to be paid 10% commission on profit after deduction of his share. The share of Abhijit is 30,000. Determine the commission of manager. Here we have given in the question profit and loss sharing ratio, that is 3:2:4. So the total of this is 9. So the total share of Abhijit is 2/9, share of Vismay is 3/9, and share of Kunal is 4/9. Here we have given in the question share of Abhijit, that is 30,000. 2/9 30,000. So the total profit is how much? 30,000 into 1 into 9 by 2. So the total profit amount is 1,35,000. And we have to find the commission of manager. Commission is equal to net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. So 1,35,000 into 10 divided by 100. So the commission amount is 13,500. The profit and loss sharing ratio of Rajkumar, Kausik and Sarma is 15:10:9. Here we have given in the question the total profit amount, that is 68,000. We have to determine the share of each partner. Rajkumar, Kausik and Sarma, 15:10:9. So the share of Rajkumar is 15 divided by 34. 15 plus 10 plus 9 is 34. So the Rajkumar's share is 15 divided by 34. Kausik's share is 10 divided by 34 and share of Sarma is 9 divided by 34. We have given the total profit 68,000. So the share of Rajkumar is 68,000 into 15 divided by 34, that is 30,000. Share of Kausik is 20,000 and share of Sarma is 18,000. The question is complete. 5. Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya while Bajpai receives half shares of Mehta. Profit of the firm is 87,500. Determine the share in profit of each partner. We have to distribute profit between the partners. Here they said their share of Mehta is 4 times of Pandya. So we assume that Pandya's share is 1. So the share of Mehta is 4 into 1. Share of Mehta is 4. And Bajpai's share is half of Mehta, that is 4 by 2. So the Bajpai's share is 2. So we can get profit and loss sharing ratio, that is 4:1:2. Total profit दिया गया है 87,500. We have to distribute this profit among the partners. Share of Mehta is equal to 87,500 into 4 by 7. 4 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 7. 87,500 into 4 by 7, that is 50,000. Share of Pandya 87,500 into 1 by 7, that is 12,500. Share of Bajpai is 87,500 into 2 by 7, that is 25,000. So that we can get answer.